Hello, everybody. This is a super quick live to let you all know my book is finished. So I finally completed my book. I'm not sure if you guys can see this or if it's backwards. Itty bitty publishing book. It's only 15 pages. And guess what? You're going to learn a lot. Enough to probably save your hair loss and save your own life and not do what I did 30 plus years ago. So the book is done. I will be posting some links in a couple weeks and start doing some live videos so we can actually get to the root issue of hair loss and all dis-ease. As you guys know, I started my own foundation called Super Heroes, and then I have a community preventative directory and resource site called medicallychallenged.community, where you'll learn a lot about prevention and a lot about how you can restore your health. Energy clearing, we talk a lot about that, and frequencies. And that's actually in my book. We talked about this a couple weeks ago. One of the chapters in my book is about energy clearing. And people are like, well, how does that help with hair loss? Well, we're going to talk about that. But I can't give you all the secrets right now. So stay posted, everybody. Make sure you join the groups in the link above and the link below. Follow my fan page. Websites are going to be revamped. A lot of good things are coming. Solutions for you. Again, make sure you join the group. Why hair loss is on the rise. And I'll get back to you guys in a few days. Carry onwards, superheroes.